Notice how we switch sides. Okay, Bombastic Brick Boy again.
With Alessandro.
With Alessandro again. Second part of the Skyline cruise boat. Here is the inside. We took off the removable part. It's kind of complicated. That is the level 1. The rooms and mechanics area. The mechanics area is the motor room is in there. You can actually see it. Here is a passageway to upstairs, which is also a passageway to upstairs, which also has the movie theater. Okay, here there's the gold level. This is where the bad guy tries to rob the gold that is inside there. You see the gold? Gold.
So when he tries to get the gold, the alarm goes on. So the police will hear it from all through the boat.
So, okay, maybe I should cut the part out now because the camera might cut off, but we'll continue. You're lucky. Okay, 'cause I'm awesome. My team's awesome, and this whole thing's awesome. Yo. Okay, so here we have my red carpet. I created it, designed it, everything. Okay, and I guess that's the ship. That's it. Thank you for watching Bombastic Brick Boys Skyline cruise ship. This was Lego Enterprises from Bombastic Brick Boy. Thank you for watching.